This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the dictionary in Google Docs. Did you know that Google Docs has its own internal dictionary? So you no longer need to go to a different website in order to search for definitions of words. In order to access the dictionary, what you need to do is click on Tools, then select Dictionary. Also note that you have a shortcut that you can use. So on a Mac, that would be Command Shift Y, and then on Windows, that would be Control Shift Y. When you click on the dictionary, this will appear on the right side of the screen, and here you can type your words. So if I want to know the definition of the word underscore, you can type that there, and then it'll give you the definition. You can also look up definitions of words within your document by right-clicking the word. So I will highlight the word elucidated. And then what you do to get the definition of that word is right-click, then click on Define Elucidated. And again, you can also highlight the word and then use the keyboard shortcut mentioned earlier. Then when you click that, the definition of the word elucidate will appear in that box on the right side of the screen. In addition to the definition, you can also learn synonyms and antonyms of those words, and then click on any of the links provided to be given definitions of the word that you clicked on. So this video shows you how to use the dictionary in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.